this is how we charge from our Comunication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see I have a small device, small machine for you guys. This is electric milk frother. Lovely looking machine. If you want to make your milk has more fume, more creamy, you can use this one in your coffee or other whatever you want. It's just to shake it to have more foam in that. Rechargeable, lovely device. You can charge it. Beautiful box you can see here, coding out the information. So let me take this off from here. There's the machine manual. The bottom some holder to hold this one, nothing special. You can read how to use blah blah blah. You have cable here. Let's see, this is data cable for charging cable, you can say that is the same USB. See, my god, this is C port we have here. Still iPhone they don't have C ports, funny isn't it? Yeah, and this is normal USB. Wow, lovely. So let me take out this machine. Here we go. Soft plastic wrapped it. Wow, beautiful. Here you see only one button, and when you're charging you can see here, you see the charging port at the top. Beautiful machine. I feel quite comfortable here, something as a spring device. So let me hit the power button. You see how it's vibrating. Wow, I feel vibration force at my hand. I stop this one, you see. Now one more time. Wow. I will demonstrate how it does to a milk. Let's see. Let me demonstrate. I have a glass here. And typically Spanish milk from Hacienda, that is Mercadona, Leche. Okay, let me take this off and put some milk in this. Not a lot as this, and you will see the magic in this case. You see how small quantity of milk we have here, and here is the machine, and I'm starting 1, 2 and 3. See guys, you see guys, wow, you see it look almost 1 glass of milk with very small quantity. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.